Good morning, guys, from Rocher du Chat in Belgium. We're gonna check out this rock and then continue to the next one, which is called Rocher du Hat. There's a blue square and a yellow one that you can follow. And right now I'm following the yellow one. The trail is kind of boring, to be honest. It's a straight line through the forest, but I'm not sure if it is completely natural, because look at those trees. They all look planted to me. It looks like we have arrived. Look at this. Very hazy. It looks like I'm in Vietnam. Everything looks so fresh because it has been raining yesterday, and usually after rain everything looks much more colorful, much greener. Look at this. We cannot see the river today, unfortunately, and I don't want to wait like 1 hour or so for everything to clear up. So we're gonna continue to the next one. And I think once we arrive, the sun will be higher, so we might see the river. I'm gonna post a piece of how it looks when it's not hazy, so you can get a better idea. Look at these beautiful sun rays. Amazing. There's nothing better than mornings in nature. So this is actually the river that you could see from these viewpoints. Le Semois. Good morning. Hey guys. Hey. What do you guys think of this place? Early morning. I think it's a starting point for kayaking. Okay guys, which way to go? We have 3 options. I'm just gonna go straight and see what happens. It's a very small bird with a nice voice. Very chatty. Rocher du Hat, as you can see, is a steep walk up. Well, Rocher du Chat can be approached by following the flat trail, but it's not very far. We should almost be there. I have a feeling that we're going to be alone again. The first one of the day. Some information over here. Apparently it's 365 meters high. Not bad at all. But I do like Rocher du Chat better, because I don't like this part. I think that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this relaxed morning in Belgium, and see you on the next one. Ciao ciao.